What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the X5, and the reason you probably clicked on this video is because of this. You're getting this quite annoying squeaking noise from the steering column, and in this video I'm going to try to address this issue, which is actually pretty common on these X5 F15 models. So without further ado, let's see what we need to do to rectify this squeaking issue, which again is really annoying. You will need probably at most some of like prying tools like this, and you will either need a T15 or a T20 Torx bit, and that should be it. It's a fairly, like I said, common issue, and it's an easy way you could actually resolve this. So stay tuned. First, we will need to take off the plastic trim from around the steering column. So at first you will need to turn your ignition on, and you actually, oh god, this is just painful every time. You'll need to pull out the steering wheel all the way out like so, and bring it down, because you have this material here which you'll need to pop off, which I'm about to do momentarily, and then we'll take it from there. All right, to undo this, you actually could just grab from the top here behind this fabric and kind of pull up, and this will pop out like this. See, there are tabs right here that hold it on each side, so you could have that popped out. And now we have to get this bottom cover off, which is held by these tabs that you pull out, and this right here. So you just undo this side, and you do undo this tab on this side, and you could see this bottom portion pops out. Let me open the door so we could get a little bit better view. But if you see from here, you have these wires for the key sensor and for the steering wheel heating, if you have that option. So let me just undo those. Here's a better view from the side. So in order so you have more room to work with, you could just undo this connector for the adjustment of the steering column, like so. So this hangs to the side, and that opens up this view of this screw that we're gonna undo in order to get rid of our squeaking noise, which is right so. This right there, this right here, I don't know if you could see this. It's black. It's a set screw from the factory, which is a T15, and all we have to do is just back it out and take it out completely. So you'll need something like this, and once you do have a ratchet, you could let me set the light so you guys could see. All right, let me see if I could do this while filming. So we're gonna slide this in somehow here into this black set screw, like so, and just go gently with it, because this screw is very soft, so it's easy to strip it. And just keep going. Oh. See, it actually broke. See, it actually broke in half. Alright, let me try to figure out a solution. And on that note, you would think I actually screwed myself, but actually that's not the case. The reason being, and it's hard to show, is because even though the screw has cracked and I broke the head, I managed to back it out just enough. I don't know if you could see that there's actually a gap between the screw and the casing, because the noise was caused because the screw was too far in, and I turned it a few times, and there you could actually see there's a gap. I don't think you could see this on camera, between the casing and the tip of the screw, which, guess what, now I could lift the steering wheel, see, and there's no noise present up and down, because that gap is there. So even though I haven't backed it out completely, I backed it out just enough so in order for it not to make contact with the actual column, and therefore the noise is gone. If it was still making noise, you could actually file it off and then cut it off flush, so it wouldn't be a big deal. But for now, I'm gonna leave it in this position since it's not making noise and there's no play in the steering column either. So that's that should be good. And to put this back on, you just put this back in the way it was, clip it in place. I'm not gonna do it one hand, but you get the picture. So that's the fix for this squeaking or noise issue from the steering column going back and forth. Hopefully this helped out if you do have this issue, which apparently most of the X5 F15 owners do have. And this is how you fix it. Again, just be gentle with the screw, because as you saw firsthand, that actually is very soft and you could easily crack it or strip it. But as long as you back it out enough, this will solve your squeaking issue. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. Again, here's the demonstrations with the steering column all back in one piece. See, no noise present.